a process that we follow. Hindi lang armed forces ang nag-validate ito, kasama natin yung Philippine National Police. So when I was division commander dito sa 4ID, kasama ito sa area ko, itong Surigao Norte. And during that time, merong konti na lang na mga NPA members na nandito. So talagang yung ating operations was full blast. Kaya't ngayon, starting last year, ay talagang nawala na yung support ng mga New People's Army dun sa community. So that is one of the factors that we consider when we determine whether an area is insurgency free or not. Kapag wala nang suporta yung mga New People's Army at kukonti na lang sila or totally nawala na sila. So in the case of dito sa area ng Surigao Norte, may mga remnants pa rin, no? Mga manginan-nginan na mga armado. And also, there is a tendency for the remnants of the New People's Army to band together and then lilipat-lipat sila. So we cannot really say na totally zero na. But the important thing is that wala na silang suporta sa mga communities dito sa area.